I don't know why I'm walking weird like this. Oh my goodness. That's bad. Oh, and peanut butter interior. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I am back at Copart. The rain has passed. It is heating up out here. The cars are showing signs of dust and some of them are really in good condition. Others are kind of beat up, but we're looking for something to add to the channel. And if you see something you like, let me know, all right? I have so much to choose from. Let's just kind of wander around and see what we can see and see if we can add something to the channel. Maybe something that is not a Mercedes. Well, look what I found. It's a Mercedes. Yeah, this is a 2003 Mercedes. This is the E320. Yeah, this has a little issue on the front. It looks like she just ran into like one of those parking poles they put in front of the Quick Trips or the convenience stores. She just took a bite or tried to take a bite out of that, and the damage is all up front. So you're probably going to need, this may have survived. Get yourself a bumper, the bumper bracket right behind it. Hopefully it didn't get into the radiator or the condenser for the air conditioning. Everything else looks to be okay. I don't know why I'm walking weird like this. Yeah, I just am. I love these in black. I really do. You do have some paint issues across the top right there. This is another vehicle that spent some time in Bartlesville. You have, well, a couple of flat tires. Yeah, it looks like she's had a hard life. Continental tires, but there's very little tread left. Has this already been opened for us? Yeah. Here we go. Let's take a look. Ooh. Look at this. There is so much dust. Well, she's on the front row and the hood is kind of open. And so as these big trucks drive by, all of the dust is, look at the belt hasn't even, yeah, it just settles in. It moves in. This, ugh. So this did get pushed right here. If I do this, I can't tell if there's any coolant in here. So let's just look very, very quickly. Yeah, there is. So that's good. There is coolant. Okay. Oil filter. Nice. I don't know if there's any power. I don't know if we can even try, but let's look inside and see what she's got for us. Okay, there's no rips in the seat. That is good. That is good news. Okay, this is a little cubby hole you can put stuff in. Ugh. Whoever was driving this thing was leaning way back. Actually, it's kind of nice in here. It is. I mean, get a cover for the steering wheel. You got these things that are coming off. You can get these on eBay. They're everywhere. The wood seems to be okay. You've already got this. If you have an older iPhone or Android, you can play your own music. That's nice. These things have come off. There is access to that right there. Another little cubby hole right here. There's your, why do you have white tape? This is like the tape what is this? Are these little receipts or something? I don't know. That's weird. Okay, put that back. I don't think we have power, so let's see if we can do something and change that. Well, unfortunately, we don't have access to the trunk. This little, the mechanical, just the regular key on this thing, it'll work on the door. It does not work on the trunk. So maybe the trunk lid has been replaced or something at some point in time, but I can't get it open. And the little baby battery in the front is, anyway, I just can't do it. It's not working at all, so we have to keep on looking, but this is something that would be a cool little car. It would be an easy fix. And maybe it's a good car. I don't know about run and drive. We'll have to check the website, and then perhaps I'll mark it down and watch the auction. Oil change, so they took it places to get oil changed. And Bartlesville is kind of an older retirement town. Phillips 66 used to be headquartered there, and they have a lot of retirees with a lot of money, and so maybe this was well taken care of, and then they just kind of bumped into something. So this could be a great car, or it could be a car they gave to somebody, their grandkids, and they just trashed it, which would lead me right here. This might be a good indicator of that. All right, let's move on. And yes, by the way, we returned the key to where it is supposed to be. Always, always, always put the key back. Well, like you can see, I have added this to my watch list right here. All you have to do is, they're on the app, if you can look very closely here. You touch this little thing right here, and it will take a picture of the barcode, and then it will tell you it'll take you right to where the car is and give you all the information about the car. That is not up for sale yet, 139,000 miles. So I have marked it as something I want to watch. Now, watch me as I walk over here to this big, black, beautiful BMW. Look at this. She's a big girl. Yeah. Oh, I like this. Have I reviewed this? I don't think so. I'm kind of far off into the back corner of Copart right here. Uh-oh, here's some damage. Well, suspension damage. Lost type is rear end, 2017 BMW 740i Xi. So it's the four-wheel drive. Ooh. Yeah, she got punched in the side. Oh my goodness. That's bad. Look at the vacuum hoses. Yellow, red, blue, black right there. Those are all busted. Ooh. That would be expensive to fix. That's something I probably cannot do. But let's just kind of poke around and see what she's got for us. Just to see. So I'll put this right here. Put my phone right here as well. Don't let me forget my phone. And see how the stress has actually moved up in through here. Yep. It's got the cool roof. Oh, and peanut butter interior. Oh my. This is really nice. And it smells like a Bimmer. Oh, this is nice. What is this? This is a 2017, I believe, like I said. Yeah, with the, virtual gauges? Okay. Well, we have power. Welcome, Chris. She does sound pretty good. You get 2 keys. So Chris did turn in both keys. We got a check engine light. What is this? I don't know what this is right here. I really don't know. Okay. Let's move this down. It'll go in. Okay, here we go. Now we're talking. We have continued driving as possible, chassis issue, restraint system, driver restraint system, passenger restraint system. How many systems do we have in this car? Okay, now, where's the mileage? There's not a sticker. Let me see if I can get through all. Oh, there's your radio. Okay, that's good. Air conditioning, thank you. 118,000 miles, that's not bad. I'll push this little button right here. So this controls some of this stuff. Charge? What? Huh, wait a second. Let's look at this. Let's go look at the engine real quickly. Let's open the trunk very quickly. We've got to pull the handle twice to open the hood. We'll go 1, 2. Here we go. Man, she is low to the ground. She is very low to the ground. There it is. Twin turbo power BMW. It's running really well. There are some leaves and everything, as you can see, so she's been sitting for a little while. She is dusty. Oh, but she is beautiful. Oh my. Holy crap, Mike. You do not need this. You have an old Mercedes you love to drive each and every day. Oh, it doesn't look like this though. Oh my. You get a ton of room back here. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness. And look at the lighting. Look at that. What is this? Oh, that's your rear shade. Nice. Do you have one of these too? You do? Look at that. Keep all the riffraff out. Ah! And then, oh, you have your own button for your own sunroof. You got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. It's right there. And this works. I love this. I really, really love this. Holy moly. And the air coming out of here is nice. You got wood grain here. Chris had a nice car. Wow, this is something a realtor needs. You know, to take people to the expensive homes. Yeah. I just don't know how much it would cost to get that quarter panel fixed. I do have a really good contact in the body repair business. I need to go see him about another old Mercedes that needs to get painted. But this right here, how do you come out of that? I don't know. I really don't know. Is this the opening now? Here we go. Yeah, it even got that far. Yeah, and there's some parts of your bumper. Oh, this is sad. This is really sad. Okay, we'll close this up. There we go. She does close. There you go. She is closing, so that's good. It's just, this is all important stuff right there, and that corner has got to get pulled out, so this kind of comes down. Wow. All right. Mikey likes it a lot, but I don't know if it's the car for me. I really do. It's super comfortable. Oh, I love this. Are these even cool anymore? I started at the back because that's what's different about these things, these Dodge Magnums. Okay, it's the station wagon. I don't know, because the four-door was so popular, they came out with a wagon version, and I just don't know, 2008 Dodge Magnum, if these were ever as cool. I will tell you though, change the headlights and that helps a lot. But then to me it looks like another inexpensive Dodge vehicle. I don't know about these. Tell me what you think about these. This has been beat up right here. Body damage. Well, the window is down. That's nothing major. Tires, Continental. There's a little bit of tread left on them. It's a cool greenish gray color, and I do like this. That seems to be a different hood on there. This lost type is unknown. 2008 Dodge Magnum. This is pushed in a lot. Don't know why, and that doesn't even seem to be centered in the hole. That's kind of weird. Interior. Got a smell, but it's not bad. It's really not too bad. Okay, it's just very kind of a basic greenish beige color. There's really not a lot of contrast in and out. Well, this isn't going to open for us. Okay, let's go in the driver's seat. A couple of dings here. Your little protection strip is gone. There we go. Huh. I always check things before I sit down just to see. Okay, well, we have power. We have 199,496 miles. Let's see what's going to happen. Is this, is that the key in case the thing quits working? I guess so. Here we go. Come on. Give me a start. Uh-oh. Doesn't even want to. Will this key work? Here we go. That seems to do something. Ooh. Okay, let's try it again. Come on. There is gas, as you can see right there. Power steering does work. You've got some BAS, ESP errors, airbag, whatever that thing is. Brake light is on, check engine light is on, tire pressure monitor system, is on. She doesn't seem to be very happy. Can we put the window up and save her? Will this go up? No, it doesn't. Will this? That one works. This one doesn't go up. Come on, stay running. Stay running. We're running on a couple of cylinders, maybe. Yeah, that's not very smooth at all. Let's see if she goes in. Ooh. Ooh. Well, she won't even go into gear. I don't want to break it. Yeah, she's not. Am I supposed to push something? Well, that comes off just like that. No, she won't go into gear. She's running better now. Nope. She's not coming up. Whatever, it's hitting something. Yeah, let's give her one more try. If nothing else, we're charging the battery, so that's good. Trying to help the next guy out. Where's the pull? Right here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think she's gonna open for us. I think the damage from the accident is preventing this from opening. Yep, she's not. Okay, well, at least she's not gonna cause any problems. Okay, well, I have an error on my camera. It says device is overheating. So I don't know where we are with this video, but we can't get the hood open. So I think that's gonna be it. The red light is still flashing, but this car is not cooperating at all. So I think this is gonna be the last video of the series, because I've been here for, I don't know, 2.5 hours or so, 3 hours, and I'm tired. The camera's tired. This car is tired, and it's missing some important pieces right there. So I think we're gonna say goodbye. Yeah, everybody, thank you for watching the videos. A huge thank you to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and have some fun. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon. Leave a comment below. Tell me which of these cars you liked the best. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.